Welcome to the Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. As immigrants ourselves, we have experienced firsthand the excitement of starting anew while navigating the complexities of life in America. Our podcast was born out of a deep desire to offer support and guidance to others like us, those who are already living here or dreaming of making the leap. Each week, we share 3 thoughtfully crafted episodes that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving professional success and mastering financial literacy. Our mission is simple: to empower you with valuable insights and practical advice as you chart your own path in this diverse land. Whether you're seeking tips on improving your English skills or looking for inspiration on how to thrive in your new environment, we're here for you every step of the way. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA. Welcome to the Immigrants in the United States of America podcast. For the next few months, our podcast episodes published on Mondays will include excerpts from Maestro Sersea's eBook, Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants in the USA, to help you further understand, be more motivated, and thrive in the United States of America. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Welcome to Maestro Sersea's podcast, Immigrants in the USA, where we share helpful tips and insights to inspire immigrants to thrive and reach their American dream. In today's episode, we will listen to the ebook Steps to Achieving the American Dream, a guide for immigrants to the United States by Maestro Sersea, and will focus on Chapter 1, Understanding the American Dream, including subchapter Embracing the American Dream, a Personal Journey. Are you ready? Let's begin. Chapter 1, Understanding the American Dream. Embracing the American Dream, Personal Journey. Upon turning to the pages of this subchapter, I am filled with a great sense of pride and excitement. As someone who has immigrated to this country, I understand the challenges and sacrifices that come with pursuing the American dream. However, I am also aware that on this journey, there are countless success stories that serve as beacons of hope and inspiration for aspiring immigrants. Within this section, I have carefully selected a collection of personal stories from individuals who have achieved the American dream against all odds. These stories reflect the diverse backgrounds, struggles, and triumphs that immigrants have experienced on their path to success. My intention in sharing them is to provide solace, motivation, and the belief that readers too can overcome obstacles and achieve their own American dream. Let me share with you one such story, that of Maria, a young woman from Guatemala who arrived in the United States with only dreams in her eyes. Maria's journey was filled with hardships, facing discrimination, language barriers, and the daunting task of adapting to a new culture. However, through her unwavering perseverance and resilience, Maria not only learned English but also pursued higher education, ultimately becoming a successful entrepreneur, owning her own thriving business. Maria's story is a testament to the power of determination and the infinite potential that immigrants possess. Another remarkable tale comes from Ibrahim, a Sudanese refugee who fled his war-torn homeland in search of safety and opportunity. Upon arriving in the United States, Ibrahim faced numerous challenges, from cultural adjustments to rebuilding his life from scratch. Nevertheless, Ibrahim's steadfast belief in the American dream propelled him forward. With the support of community organizations and networks, Ibrahim not only obtained a college degree, but also became a prominent advocate for refugee rights, positively impacting the lives of many. We must also acknowledge the inspiring journey of Chong, a Chinese immigrant who left his home country in pursuit of a better life for his family. Despite facing obstacles such as language barriers and a lack of professional networks, Chong persisted in his career in engineering. Through sheer commitment and dedication, he excelled, ultimately becoming a respected leader in his industry. Chang's success serves as a shining example of the opportunities that await those who are willing to work diligently and persevere. These personal stories represent only a fraction of the countless accounts of immigrants who have seized the American dream and transformed their aspirations into reality. They remind us that the path to success is not always a straightforward or easy one, but it is possible to navigate with determination, resilience, and a willingness to embrace the challenges and opportunities that accompany the pursuit of the American dream. I share these stories not only to provide inspiration, but also to emphasize that success knows no limits when it comes to one's background, nationality, or circumstances. The American dream is woven together by the dreams and aspirations of individuals from different walks of life. It stands as a testament to the indomitable human spirit and the infinite opportunities that await those who arrive on American soil. As you delve into these personal journeys, I urge you to reflect upon your own dreams and aspirations. Take inspiration from the stories of those who have gone before you, and let their triumphs ignite the fire within you. Embrace your journey and know that, with hard work, determination, and unwavering belief in yourself, the American dream can indeed become your reality. Remember, dear reader, that behind every success story is an individual who refused to surrender and let circumstances dictate their destiny. As an immigrant myself, I stand as living proof that the American dream is attainable. Believe in yourself, give your best effort, and allow the stories within this chapter to guide and motivate you towards achieving your very own American dream.
Thank you for listening to today's episode of our Immigrants in the USA podcast, where we understand that the journey of moving to a new country is filled with both hope and challenges. Join us again as we share 3 distinct episodes each week that cover an array of essential topics, from understanding American education systems and exploring travel destinations to achieving personal and professional success and mastering financial literacy. You are invited to also visit our official website for Immigrants in the USA at www.immigrantsinthe.us. Together, let's navigate this beautiful tapestry of experiences that define life as an immigrant in the USA.